Looking for the best drawing tablet with a screen without breaking the bank? Stick around, because we're ranking 5 top contenders from the weakest to the absolute best. Let's see who really delivers. Starting us off at the bottom of our list is the GAOMON PD1161. It's a budget-friendly pen display that gets the job done for beginner artists or casual hobbyists. If you're just starting out in digital art and want something compact and affordable, this is the type of device that will catch your eye. The screen is an 11.6-inch Full HD display, which means it's sharp and portable. It supports 8,192 pressure levels and tilt functionality, so the pen feels natural and responsive. The 8 customizable shortcut buttons are handy, and the stylus doesn't need charging, which is always a plus. But when you compare it to the competition, the downsides are clear. The color range is limited to about 72% NTSC, which means your artwork might not look as vibrant or color accurate on this screen. Plus, there's no built-in stand, and it only works with Windows or Mac OS. Still, if you're brand new to digital drawing and just want something basic without spending much, this might be a solid place to begin. And hey, links to all the products featured in this review at the best prices are in the description below, so don't forget to check those out. Next up, just one step above, we've got the VEIKK 1200 V2. This one might be close in size to the GAOMON, but it takes a decent leap in terms of screen quality and compatibility. It comes with a laminated 11.6-inch Full HD screen and covers almost 100% of the sRGB color space, so you're getting much better color accuracy right out of the box. The pressure sensitivity and tilt support work smoothly, and the pen glides well. It even supports Linux and Android, which adds some nice flexibility. The drawbacks? It still has a relatively small screen and fewer shortcut keys compared to some rivals. The stylus and build quality are good, but not the most premium out there. And like all other tablets in this lineup, it still requires a computer to run. Overall, if you want to step up your digital art game without jumping into premium price range, this is a great mid-tier choice. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Moving into more serious territory now, the XOPPOX 15.6-inch drawing tablet offers a larger canvas for artists who need more space to work with. It's not a big brand name, but it brings surprisingly solid specs to the table for the price. You get a Full HD 15.6-inch screen that's great for working on more detailed illustrations. The color coverage is around 92% NTSC, which is a noticeable upgrade from the entry-level options. With a battery-free stylus, tilt support, and 7 shortcut keys, you've got a lot more control and comfort during long sessions. However, while it's larger and more capable, it doesn't quite match the polish of higher-end brands. The compatibility is also a bit more limited. It works with Windows and Mac, but that's about it. No Android, no Chrome OS. This one's a solid pick for hobbyists or intermediate artists who want a bigger screen without the premium price tag. It feels like a good stepping stone toward more professional setups. Now we're getting into seriously polished territory. The XP Pen Artist 12 Gen 2 might not be the biggest screen here, but it packs some powerful features in a very refined package. What makes it stand out is the color accuracy. This tablet covers an impressive 127% of the sRGB spectrum, meaning your artwork will look rich and vibrant. The X3 Smart Chip Stylus is one of the most advanced in its class, offering excellent responsiveness and a natural feel. You also get full compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, Android, Linux, and even Chrome OS. So, what's the trade-off? The screen size. At just under 12 inches, it still feels a bit cramped for detailed projects. If you prefer working on larger compositions, this might feel a bit limiting. But if you're looking for a sleek, responsive, and color-accurate drawing experience that works with almost any platform, this is easily one of the best compact pen displays on the market. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the HUION Kamvas Pro 16. And honestly, this one's a powerhouse. The QHD version of this tablet delivers an ultra-sharp resolution that makes a real difference in clarity and detail. Combine that with a wide color gamut of up to 145% sRGB and a fully laminated anti-glare display, and you've got a tool that's built for professionals. The stylus is top-notch, and you get a seamless, paper-like drawing experience. There really isn't much to complain about here. Some versions only offer Full HD, so make sure you're picking the QHD model if resolution matters to you. Also, while this isn't a standalone device, that's true for every model in this roundup. If you're a serious digital artist or a creative professional looking for a reliable workhorse that delivers in every area, color, resolution, pen feel, and build quality, this is the one to get. So there you have it, 5 drawing tablets with screens ranked and reviewed. If you're ready to pick up any of these models, check out the links in the description for the best prices available. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more hands-on reviews.